Pero di ka to, nung nakuha na, hindi na niya pinatulad.
Direct they will swallow it together
Ayun,
with the
walang
flesh,
nguya-nguya,
together with the skin. And you see there's a lot of competition.
Come. Come.
That is the mighty force.
Hindi ko to.
Come. Come.
We try to grow the food of creatures,
Come on.
for them at least to eat and to be safe, because might be there is a lot of competition.
Come.
Paano yan sila makakain
Come on.
lahat?
Come on. Come on. Come.
Hindi kahit nasa tubig, makuha nila yun. Lakas pa kamay nila.
Yun.
Come.
I guess we are there. Wow! La la!
Simple pa lang walang may makakain, no?
Ha?
Simple mo lang may makakain.
Oh, pero may bukas naman. Tsaka, di ba, hindi naman sila yung kaya nilang magpagutom ng...
They are very keen, huh? No piece will pass on their eyes without catching it, huh?
Ha?
Yeah.
Okay lang yun. Wala sa kanila, kahit nakakain nila yung buhangin.
But they need to go very far.
Kaya nilang sundan yung ano ng pagkain. Pero tamad. Minsan, nasa tabi na nila, hindi pa nila kukuhanin.
Come. 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 Come.
That is the lighting force.
About
Come.
1,600.
Come. Come.
1,600, huh?
Ilang yun?
Yeah, so
Kaya minsan, sa lakas ng fighting.
Come.
recommendation is to give them one still here. One already taken. The other one will take. The other one take that. Wow, that's good, huh?
Come.
Dapat pati yung malayo.
Yeah, everyone is taking something, huh? No recommendation, huh? Everybody is even from very far. Good. There's one boy also waiting for the food there. Very good.
Yung ulam nila, nilulut. O ano ba yan? Hilaw?
He will swallow everything.
So, laki ko sa mga whale, no? Like yung kay nangyari kay Jonah.
Kahit sa crocodile, wala.
Tingnan mo, nandyan na sa ano niya, hindi mo kinukuha. Dinaganan lang.
Come on. Come.
Dinaganan lang niya eh.
Come on. Come.
Pag may isang nakakagat, sabi nakakagat.
Come.
Malibag sabay din nakagat ha. Titilas na
Catch.
Come on.
Father.
Yeah, go straight.
Nothing will pass
Come.
there. They will catch everything.
Come.
Even the waters.
Come.
So the zookeepers making sure each and every regular
Come.
with something. That's why it's growing.
Pag summer, dalawang bucket.
So that was our first grapes. Now we are the second one.
Dadalawa. Pag winter, isa na lang.
Safely, at least they are good during this time of summer.
Babagal yung leg.
Maraming kain na.
Kaya chill lang.
Maraming kain yan. Mga 8.
Baka busog na siguro, oh. Lumusong na sa tubig. Yan, dalawa na yan yung sa kanya. Dinaganan lang.
Tamad nga eh.
Come.
Oh! Dalawa, nasa paa niya.
Come on. Come. Come.
Wow. Never miss. These ones are ladies. And a lot of competition, huh?
Come on.